This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. We're not affiliated with Jeff Bezos or Amazon. These insights are based on public interviews, shareholder letters, and case studies. Jeff Bezos didn't just build a company, he built a machine, a relentless empire of innovation, scale, and discipline. From selling books in a garage to becoming the world's richest man, Bezos redefined what it means to think long-term in business. Today, we break down 5 powerful business lessons from Jeff Bezos, ideas that can change the way you think, lead, and build, even if you're just starting out. So, let's dive in. We're not competitor-obsessed, we're customer-obsessed. We start with what the customer needs and we work backwards. Bezos made customer obsession Amazon's #1 core principle. Not customer service, not satisfaction, obsession. At Amazon, everything starts with one question. What does the customer want, and how can we deliver it better, faster, and cheaper? So this principle led to things like one-click ordering, Amazon Prime, same-day shipping, and of course, those personalized recommendations we all see. If you run a business, it's worth asking yourself, are you obsessing over your product, your competitors, or your customer? Customer obsession, creates loyalty, repeat business, and trust. And honestly, that's a moat no competitor can easily cross. If we think long-term, we can accomplish things that we couldn't otherwise accomplish. Most businesses, they chase quarterly profits. But Amazon went years without showing real profits, because Bezos was playing a different game. He invested in logistics, data centers, Kindle, AWS, Alexa, long before they were profitable. Why? Well, because he believed in planting seeds today that might take years to grow. Long-term thinking is a competitive advantage, because honestly, so few people have the patience for it. In your own life or business, ask yourself, am I optimizing for the next 30 days or for the next 30 years? If you're going to take bold bets, they're going to be experiments. And if they're experiments, you don't know ahead of time if they're going to work. Amazon failed a lot. The Fire Phone flopped, auctions didn't work, endless projects were scrapped. But failure wasn't a bug in Bezos' system, it was the system. The big wins, like AWS, Prime, or Marketplace, paid for thousands of small failures. Bezos believed the size of your success is directly related to the willingness to fail at scale. If you want to build something meaningful, you need to try, test, and fail fast, over and over again. I very frequently get the question, what's going to change in the next 10 years? I almost never get the question, what's not going to change? Bezos knew that trends come and go, but human needs are constant. He asked, will customers still want low prices in 10 years? Will they still want fast shipping? Will they still want a wide selection? The answer is yes. So instead of chasing trends, Amazon doubled down on the unchanging fundamentals and built the infrastructure to serve them better every year. Find the 3 to 5 things in your business or niche that won't change, and master those relentlessly. You can work long, hard, or smart, but Amazon asks for all 3. Bezos believed in setting the bar extremely high and never lowering it. From hiring to innovation to leadership principles, Amazon is known for its intense culture. That doesn't mean perfectionism, it means ownership. If something goes wrong, you fix it. If customers aren't happy, you obsess over making it right. If a team is underperforming, you hold the standard. In your own project, whether it's a YouTube channel, startup, or side hustle, ask yourself, what's my standard for quality? Do I ship work that I'm proud of? Would I trust my own product? Because, long-term excellence comes from day-to-day discipline. Let's quickly recap the 5 business lessons from Jeff Bezos. First, obsess over the customer. Second, think long-term. Third, embrace experimentation and failure. Fourth, focus on what won't change. And fifth, build a culture of high standards. These lessons aren't just for billion-dollar companies. They're honestly for anyone building something that matters. Whether you're just starting a side hustle, launching a business, or planning your next move, think like a builder. Think like Bezos. This is Climb Mind Business and Investing. I'm on the journey too, learning, sharing, and climbing alongside you. If you got value from this, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Which Bezos principle are you going to apply this week?